I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today I'm unboxing the June box for Bibbidi box. It's the Ultimate Magic box. We were traveling when this arrived, so that's kind of one of the reasons why I'm opening it so late. And when I got home, we were sick, and just some other things were going on. I scratched my eyes. That's why you'll see me in glasses for the next few videos. So that's what's going on. So I could definitely use a little Bibbidi magic in my life at the moment. All right, let's get this open. All right. Everyone's got a laughing place. Okay, that's so true. I love this. It's a little Splash Mountain theme. And of course, my little packing slips in here. Since it has all my items, we'll keep that for later. Okay, I got the reusable Bibbidi bag again, which is great. Okay, so it's been a month and a half since I did my wish list. I don't remember what was on my wish list. I don't think I was all that excited so much about this. So let's see. Let me try, okay, small item. Ooh, in a box. Okay. I like the little bag they put it in. It's a Lillian & Co. company. It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. I actually really love that ride. It's a luggage tag. It's a nice little white. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. And it's a Lillian & Co. I can never get enough luggage tags. It's got a little thing you can put in here. So, perfect. I like that. Actually, we should be needing that luggage tag pretty soon. Just a little spoiler alert. All right. Okay. The Wishes ears collection. Actually, I already have these because I bought them right away in because my godson is a Make-A-Wish kid. And so, you know what? I love these. I wear them all the time in the park. You may have seen them with me when we go to the park. So, actually, you may see these in a giveaway soon. Okay. Yes, this went off the rails this month for me, but it kind of is a good off the rails. I usually ask for everything Disney. Once in a while, like I said, I wasn't that crazy about the Disney list last month, but I was excited. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. For Universal Studios, this is a Loungefly backpack. But look at this, this is huge for a Loungefly mini backpack. It's massive, but cool part is, it's got a little paper to protect it. If you've ever been on Jurassic World where it opens up to the ride and you go through the gates, kind of like that, like the movie and the ride. And no pockets on the side. Ooh, I love this on the back. Life finds a way. That is so cute. Love that. Okay, and then there's this huge like keychain, Jurassic Park. It's making a lot of noise, but it's really cute. I love this. I really like this. This is like a bigger size Loungefly backpack. You know what? Sometimes we just need a little larger Loungefly backpack. So this is awesome. This works. But you know what? I was looking at the tag, and I actually think it says Pop Loungefly. So that's a little different than your traditional. Yeah, it's a Pop Loungefly. I haven't heard of that before. Have you guys? I should be asking like some of the Mickey Loungefly gurus from the Disney community, but I have not seen this before. Okay, and it's got a liner with the Jurassic Park movie logos. Very cute. I love it. But in the back, it's kind of interesting. I have to open up the straps for you guys because it has like the little caution tape little straps. So I am really happy with this. This worked out really well this month. Like I said, there is a wish list that you could put on Bibbidi or your preference list of Mickey ears you already have. I did not update it to put this, so that's on me, okay? But seriously, it also is good cause for charity, so that's awesome. So I will never be mad at that or upset. And you know what? Those were bought. That means that's another wish for a kid. So that's all in all feel good item. Okay, packing slip. Let's see. Okay. Oh, your box was curated with love by Josh. Thank you, Josh. I don't think you've ever curated a box for me before, but you did well. All right, so the Disney Parks exclusive earbands, Wishes Come True blue ears are $29.99. Seriously, they look cute all the time. I love these ears. The Lillian & Co. luggage tag Carousel of Progress inspired Great Big Beautiful Tomorrow is $22. Wow, okay, that's a little Lillian & Co. a little pricey, but all right. Pop by Loungefly Jurassic Park Gates mini backpack was $75. So the value of my box was $126.99. What? So I paid $119. I definitely came out ahead. I love this backpack. This will be going with me to Universal a lot. I actually might overthrow my Harry Potter backpack. Wow. Okay. Amazing. All right, so with that, I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.